The woman enjoyed watching my videos, so she often talked in her sleep at night. Curious about what she said, she bought a recorder to find out. That night she placed it on her nightstand, then fell into a deep sleep. When she woke up, she eagerly played the recording.
You have to make it up here. We're watermelon cousins.
She found it quite amusing. The next night she tried again. She fell into a heavy sleep, but this time she heard strange sounds.
How many are there? How many are there? Hello? I'm asking how many are there?
What was happening? Could she be sleepwalking? She felt both scared and curious. She decided to try once more. She turned on the recorder as usual, and fell asleep instantly. One had to admire her courage. The next day she played the recording, hearing her own sleep talk.
Where are you?
Goosebumps rose on her skin. She quickly turned to look at the wardrobe. Though nervous, it was daytime. She opened the wardrobe and searched, but found nothing unusual. Growing even more curious, she resolved to investigate further. She started the recorder again. The next moment, she was fast asleep, but as she mumbled in her sleep, the wardrobe door creaked open behind her.
Where are you?
She jolted awake. Undaunted, she grabbed a flashlight, turned the handle and stepped inside.
Night-night.